If someone has sent you money on PayPal, claiming it is super simple. Here's how to get that cash into your account fast. First, log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Head to the activity or summary page to see recent transactions. If you have been sent money, you'll see a notification or a pending payment under your balance. Click on the transaction to review the details. If the money is in your PayPal balance already, it's yours to use or withdraw. No extra steps are really needed. If it's marked as unclaimed or pending, the sender might have used an email address that's not yet linked to a PayPal account. In this case, you will receive an email with instructions to create an account or link that email. Once your account is set up or linked, the money will automatically appear in your PayPal balance. To withdraw funds, just go to Wallet and choose your linked bank account or card and hit transfer. If this helped you out, just grab your money faster. Hit follow for more simple money tips. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video. And if you do have any questions, just drop them down in the comments. I'll go ahead and make a video on that topic as well.